you ever felt.
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, I'm Fish. I'm heading on out. I'm heading to, go to Lowe's instead of Home Depot. I wanted to go to Home Depot, but I'm going to Lowe's and I'm going to go get some propane gas. I really wanted to wait for my last tank to be on, but might as well go get it. And I'm going to get some wood to do a project. I need some 2x6s and 3-inch nails. How many do I need? I don't know, and I need to get a 2x4 as well, so don't forget to get that. So as we head on down, we can get where we need to be at. Oh, look, did you see that Huffy? Somebody got a Huffy. We're here. We made it. I need to go down to the end, all the way to the end, Fish. Wait a second, I'll park over here instead. We'll head on in. I don't need any plants. I'm good to go. Won't open. I'm locked out. I'm out of here. Whew. I got everything I needed. I got 4 2x6s and a 2x4 and a set of 3-inch deck nails for outdoors. And also, I got propane. So I gotta go slow because I got my trunk open and the wood in the car. Ooh, the bump. Did you hear that? I really wanted to get 2x8s, but I got 2x6s instead. And when I put the other 2 on top, that'd make it 8 inches. But I don't care how low or high to the floor it goes, as long as it covers the border of my project, the tree. Look by the arrow light. There's a camera somebody put up. And my only question could that be for the fire department or the people around just wanting to film the intersection? Because you know what happens. Well, it's not a bike riding day because it's going to rain. So that's why I went and got what I needed to get just before it started. Come on down. Come on down. Don't forget to rate, comment, show some love. Have a good one. Yeah, all that wood I bought, that's what I got. I got a border around the tree. And I don't want anybody to sit on this, so I'm going to look for some type of triangular design and go straight across the whole thing and make it real decorative.